Welcome to the Mental Toughness by Coach P podcast. Our podcast goal is to bring you information and inspiration on achieving your full potential. Our podcast comes out every week on Wednesday morning. Each episode focuses on developing the mental toughness to succeed in life, business, and athletics. We define mental toughness as the ability to move forward under pressure. We will discuss how to use the 5 P's to developing the mental toughness and help you prepare to find your dream job, establish lifelong goals, and develop the mental performance to succeed. I'm Coach P. Jim Pusateri, and I have 30-plus years of experience helping others develop their mental toughness so they can achieve everything they want in life. I have developed several startup companies from the ground up, along with being a business and physical education teacher and a head football coach at the high school here in Florida. I use all that experience to help others move forward towards success. My passion is to educate and inspire people to reach their full potential. So let's get this podcast episode started. Well, good morning to you out there. This is Coach P. Jim Pusateri, your host, mentor, and expert source on how to establish that mental toughness to succeed, to gain that ability to move forward under pressure. Yes, folks, we're back with our podcast and our words of encouragement. We were down a week there. As you know, here we come to you from Florida, and we've had some crazy weather here, I guess. I guess I can't call it crazy because it happens pretty much every year. But we had some hurricanes that came through, kind of got us off schedule, some power outages, things like that. But we're back now, and today we're going to talk about our topic of discussion is never quit, means you never fail. And it really fits into place here in Florida because a lot of people lost their homes and things like that, and cars and property. And if you listen to them on the news, they don't plan to quit. They plan to rebuild. They plan to keep going forward. That's how you move forward. That's the ability to move forward under pressure, folks. It's called mental toughness. It's called a growth mindset, a mindset that's always saying, what's next? You see, they're not going to quit, so they didn't really fail. Okay? It's just like trying to accomplish some things in life. If you give up, if you quit, you'll never succeed, which makes you a failure. But if you continue to move forward, no matter how slow it is, towards that goal, you will eventually achieve it. It may take you a lifetime, but guess what? You achieved it. You didn't fail. Never quitting means you never fail. Yes, you can live a life without failing, as long as you're still striving to achieve whatever it is you're after. But you have to have a written plan of action for that. You have to have goals. You have to have action steps. You have to have tasks that you're doing each and every day that keeps you moving forward, that gives you that ability to move forward under pressure, because life is going to provide some pressure. Here in Florida, it's weather. Wherever you're at, could be tornadoes. Could be something happen in your family. Could be a job loss. Could be all of these things. But you can't give up. You can't quit. Never quitting means you will never fail. We call it perseverance, actually. And in our booklet that we give out free of charge, you can get it by hitting that link in the show notes below. It's called the 5 P's to Success, and the 5th P is perseverance. Don't quit. Never, ever give up. That's perseverance, folks. That's the part that will help you move forward under these pressures in life. Perseverance is the ability to continue striving towards a goal or completing a task despite challenges, obstacles, or difficulties. It involves determination, resilience, and the willingness to persist through adversity without giving up. Let me say that one more time, folks. Perseverance is the ability to continue striving towards a goal or completing a task despite challenges, obstacles, difficulties. It involves determination, resilience, and willingness to persist through adversity without giving up. Never quit means you never fail. Mental toughness, folks, is a psychological quality that combines resilience, self-confidence, emotional regulation, and the ability to maintain focus and perform under pressure. It's about handling stress, setbacks, and challenges in a way that allows someone to keep moving forward and to stay committed to their goals. Perseverance, mental toughness, never quit means you'll never fail. Hey, we're going to take a short break. I want you to hear about 3 great courses that we offer here, master classes that will help you in this area. And when we get back, we'll talk about the relationship between perseverance and mental toughness. Yes, we'll be right back in a few moments. Are you looking to live an amazing life, a life full of motivation and fulfillment? Then you must master the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. We've developed 3 great master classes so you can master those areas of your life. The first one is Dream Job, Finding Your Life Passion. This self-improvement master class helps you find your passion or your purpose in life and shows you how to make it your career so you never have to work a day in your life. The second master class is Goal Setting. This self-improvement master class teaches you a step-by-step process on how to establish lifelong goals and master these 3 phases of achievement so you can achieve everything it is that you want in this world. And the third master class is on mindset, mental performance. This self-improvement master class develops your mental performance. It teaches you that mental toughness that's needed to succeed, that ability to be able to move forward under the pressures in life. Learn to control your thoughts, and you will control your life. You can now get all 3 of these great master classes for the price of 2 just by hitting that link in the show notes below. For additional information on each class, you can also hit the link in the show notes below or look us up over at our website, which is inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Remember now, get your great 3 master classes for the price of 2 today. Hey, Coach P, Jim Pusateri here, and we're back at Inspirational University, the home of the Mental Toughness by Coach P podcast and book. Yes, folks, we do have a book out there. It's over on Amazon. There is a link in the show notes below. Hope you'll purchase a copy of that book and give us some feedback. Let us know what you think. Also, Monday through Friday, we put out a 1-minute video. We call it Words of Encouragement. You can get it over at our YouTube channel. It's at Coach P, Jim Pusateri. At Coach P, Jim Pusateri. There is a link in the show notes below. Subscribe today so you don't miss them 1-minute videos to help you kick off your day and to get you moving forward so you can win the day. We talked about that free booklet, The 5 P's to Success. You can get a copy of that by hitting that link in the show notes below. Today's topic of discussion, never quit means never fail. Yes, folks, you must learn the ability to move forward under pressure. And that is never quitting, never giving up. But what's the relationship between perseverance and mental toughness? Well, perseverance is a key component of mental toughness. Someone with mental toughness constantly demonstrates perseverance by sticking with their goals even when things get rough. Yes, folks, even when things get rough. Mental toughness provides the mindset and the emotional control that supports perseverance, helping individuals push through stress, failure, and frustration. But remember, folks, if you don't quit, you didn't fail. Without perseverance, mental toughness would not be fully realized, as the ability to persist is a direct outcome of being mentally strong. In essence, perseverance is the action, while mental toughness is the mindset that fuels and sustains that action. Both are critical for achieving long-term success in any challenging endeavor, whether it's sports, academics, or personal growth. You need mental toughness. Be sure to get a copy of our book. Be sure to take our 3 classes to help you master the 3 phases of success or achievement. Those 3 phases are passion, find what you love to do and make it your career, never work a day in your life. Goal setting, the written blueprint for your life, the step-by-step process that will keep you moving forward so you never quit, which means you'll never fail. And the last is mindset. Yes, it's an attitude, folks. It's a growth mindset, a mindset that's always asking itself, what's next? Hey, if you want to further today's discussion, go over to our community forum board. There is a link in the show notes below. Let us know what you're struggling with. As always, we ask you to leave us a review and to pay it forward. Send this podcast, send this message, send our words of encouragement, send our content all over your social media sites so together we can reach out to the rest of this world and bring them a little inspiration, a little mental toughness, so they never fail. As always, wherever you download this podcast, you can leave us some feedback. If you're an iTunes subscriber, you can actually rank it a 1-star to a 5-star, and those 5-star rankings really do help promote this podcast. Hey, maybe there's something that you're struggling with out there. Just reach out to us. Reach out to me personally at my email, coachp@inspiringthem.com. That's coachp@inspiringthem.com. Hey, this is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and my passion is helping others reach their full potential by showing them how to move forward towards success, by helping them develop the ability to move forward under pressure. So how can I help you develop the mental toughness so you can reach your full potential? Let us know, folks. Have yourself a great day now, and let's move forward and never quit so we never fail. Have a great one now. We are pleased to announce our book, Mental Toughness by Coach P, Jim Pusateri. Learn the ability to be able to move forward under pressure. It is now available on Amazon or wherever you purchase your books. This book is so important because everyone experiences death, setbacks, and makes mistakes in life. But most people let those setbacks and those mistakes frame the rest of their life. This book is here to help you move past those mental blocks and to learn how to use the 3 phases of achievement to obtain the success you seek. The book is available on Amazon or wherever you purchase books in a paperback or Kindle version. And be sure to check out our podcast, Mental Toughness by Coach P, which airs every Wednesday, wherever you download your podcast. Let's have a great day, and let's move forward.